Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video, we are talking about the newly launched project called Captain Tsubasa. And like I mentioned in my last video, this project is a very big project. It just launched last week and it already has over 5 million users already. It's backed by Binance and they already partnered with Bloom also, which is one of the biggest projects on Telegram. And I feel like this project was very early. We can make a lot of money if we start early and start grinding on this project. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys everything you need to know about this Captain Subasa and how to maximize your earnings. So but before we continue, let me show you something. So if we go to Twitter, here's the tweet that the co-founder of Bloom made about this project. He said the team, so this Twitter account is the co-founder of Bloom Project, right? And it said this the team behind Captain Tsubasa has an impressive history. They have worked on iconic games like Pokemon, Mario Kart, and Final Fantasy. What's next? Multiple games featuring legendary Japanese IPs are already in works, with plans to secure another major IP soon. Plus, holding Tsubasa token, John. So that John is the Tsubasa token could earn you rewards in future games. A big announcement is coming, but consider you this early heads up. So guys, he has personally endorsed this project, right? And we've already seen the Tsubasa and Bloom partnership. So immediately I saw this tweet, I knew I'm going to jump on this project immediately, right? And I want you guys to jump on this project right now. So the link will be in the description, the link to this Captain Tsubasa. So click on the link to take you to Telegram. By the time you start the game, it will open up something like this. So I started playing, and that's why I have 1 million points right here. So this game is literally just like hamster combat, basically. All you need is to the tapping game. If I click on it, you see that I'm tapping, I can increase my tap rate, right? There is profit per hour, you can upgrade your cards, you refer friends, there are tax, there's basically everything like hamster combat, like Rocky Rabbit and so. And also they have daily combo and daily reward. So first thing is if you look up here, you see that I'm in continental. That's like one of the low level the ranking. And then my daily reward, I've collected it for today. So if you log in every day, you could claim your daily reward. That one is free. Then this is my profit per hour, 173,000 per hour, right? And then my daily combo, I've not done today one, I have 22 hours left. So if I click on it now, it's just like hamster. I will choose the right cards to get 5 million points, just like hamster, right? So, and to get these cards, we used to post it on my WhatsApp group. So, if you click the link in the description to join my WhatsApp group, you'll be seeing this daily combo. I'll personally post it with other people in my group, right? So, it's free to join. You can join the link. The link will be in the description to join my WhatsApp group. And also, you can check for the cards also on Twitter or TikTok or other places, right? To be getting this daily combo. And the third thing right here is events, which they say is coming soon. So let's wait for the event. Now, if you scroll up, you see that you can boost this. So increase your stamina. This one is like extra daily boost, free boost. Then you can increase your multi tap from level 1 to level 2 to level 3. So this one will increase to 2, right? And then the limit, you increase it also, just like what we are familiar with. Now, if you come to team, this is where you can upgrade your cards. So there are about 5 different spaces here. You can see I've upgraded some of them to level 5, level 5, level 6, right? And if you want to upgrade, it's simple, like we all know. You click on Scouts now. If I click on it, then I'll level up with 260 points. And that's it, I've upgraded it to level 6. If I click on it again, I'll upgrade to level 7. It's 370 points. So I can see it here. And we have other different sport, we have players, we have coach, we have manage, stadium. Just keep upgrading them and upgrading your profit per hour. And also right here on specials, it's very similar to the answer combat. This is the Bloom partnership one, guys. So I've gotten it, but I'm still on level 2 with it. So if you have not gotten it at all, you will check right here where it shows new comic cut. So it will be here where you can get the card, right? And you can see it's time limited. You have just 288 hours left for this. So try and upgrade it. Let me upgrade it now. Okay, I don't have up to 1.2. So try and upgrade this to as high as you can. If I'm going to level 10, level 15 before they end this, it will be very good for you. And then that's basically is keep on upgrading other cards. And as you all know, already know, some cards will be locked. So to unlock them, you need to upgrade some cards. Like for example, this one now is locked, but to unlock it, I need to upgrade this Makoto Soda to level 10. Then we've also come to the tax area here. This is where you can claim your daily reward, daily tax. You log in every day to keep your streak and get larger rewards. There are some special tasks, connect wallet, join their Telegram, their Twitter, their other partnerships, free dogs, right? And finally, you come over here to wallet. This is where you can connect your wallet. On-chain wallet, this one is for your Townkeeper. Then this OKX wallet, then BitGet wallet. I've not connected any of them yet, but I'm going to connect them soon. So basically, that's it for these guys. And see, these are the important strategic airdrop. So they are basically already giving you from the beginning the criteria for the airdrop. The first thing is the total points, which is total balls, which is what I have here. I have 1.2 million here. The next criteria is unlock coming court. This coming court count is in this cards place, this special. You come to special, see coming court, my coming court, new coming court now. So your goal is to unlock everything that is here, every single one of it. I've unlocked a lot, but I still have few that I've not unlocked. Now the next criteria, unlock player count, which is that the players in the first side. Because of time. Next one is unlock player sum, like level up the players. And yes, question mark, question mark. They are still going up more airdrop criteria. And then the next one is total tasks completed. So I'll show you guys, I still have 53 tasks here. So try to complete every single one of your tasks. Then also friends, your tasks is also important. Try to refer as many people as you can to get more airdrop. And then Telegram subscription. Join their Telegram, guys. And that'll be it for this video, guys. I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoyed this video. This project is very new. We are very early. We get in early, start farming, claim, log in every 3 hours to claim, your profit per hour. So mine for you, then you claim and stay up to, because they are going to bring in more stuff. So subscribe to my channel, like my video if you want to get updated on this particular project. And with that said, I said to join my WhatsApp group before. Link will be in the description. And I'll see you in the next video.